channel Jasmine Music. Today I'm going to do my makeup and I will also do sound effects like doink. You know how things are on YouTube. Doink. I don't understand. Everyone edits their videos the same. Whatever. Now I will grab my stuff. I have it in my cute little bag here. The thing is that I'm moving and I'm starting a new job. So since I'm moving this week, I have packed only a few products, and this will serve me for the whole week while I'm moving across the country. I'm using Waso Tinted Moisturizer. Boink! I have also packed my flat iron and my hair dryer. So I have nothing. I have a lot of things, but not the things that I normally use. So I will show you how I fix my hair. This is a cat brush for my hair because it massages and also it doesn't break, because my hair is quite thick and curly and tangly, and I usually break all my brushes. So I find this to be very helpful and not helpful. I feel it lasts longer and it's so good massaging the scalp with these metal pegs. I know you're not supposed to do your sound effects with your mouth, but I think it's quite cute, right? I have a hair cream that I use for my hair to moisturize it. And now let's brush the hair over to the other side. Gorgeous. Now let's see what I have packed here. Did I pack eyebrow products? Yes, she did! Yay! Is this a challenge? Do sound effects with your mouth challenge. Yay! Boink. Eyebrows, eyebrows, eyebrows. I'm in the mood for eyebrows. Eyebrows, eyebrows. I'm in the mood for eyebrows. And then I will use the eyebrow gel. Eyebrow gel. And then I will use brushes, my Shiseido bronzing palette. I will use the nougat shade. And then I will use the darkest shade in the crease. It's so funny applying makeup. Don't we love applying makeup and blend it out with my blending brush? Boink. Boink. Then I will use a third shade underneath my eyes. See what I did there? And then I will use... Ooh, I have a mineral thing. I will try to do this a little bit more glamorous. So I pick up some dark brown mineral shadow. It's super, super dark. And I will... Oh my god. Darken it up. Oh yes. It's so dark. It's all so quiet. Shh, shh. It's all so still. Shh, shh. Boink. I'm so excited about moving. Finally, some change. I love change. I love movements. I will set my tinted moisturizer with, oh, a lot of powder. Oh my god. Shh, shh. It's all so quiet. Shh, shh. It's all so still. Time for mascara. No, time for eyeliner. Shake it up, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And then I'll just do a little tiny line. Not bad. Not bad at all. Mascara, 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 mascara. Just a tiny bit, like so. Gorgeous. Now I'll use the Shiseido bronzer for my face. Then I'll do some lipstick. Let's do red today. blend out the bronzer. I'll blend it out using my powder. Actually, here you go, a quick and dirty makeup tutorial. Have a great day! What the fudge? This is a final look. Here's the final look.